Hello. We know our Earth spins like a top, giving us day and night. But did you know that Earth is also on a huge year-long journey around the Sun? It's like our planet is taking a giant road trip through space. Today we're going to learn all about Earth's amazing trip called its orbit around our superstar, the Sun. So what does it mean to orbit? An orbit is a special path that one object takes in space around another, bigger object. Think of it like a giant racetrack in the sky. The Sun is so big and has such strong gravity that it keeps Earth and all the other planets in our solar system traveling along these special paths. Earth doesn't float around randomly. It follows this specific, slightly oval-shaped path, its orbit around and around the Sun. It's not a perfect circle, but like a slightly squashed circle called an ellipse. How long does it take Earth to make one full trip around the Sun on this racetrack? It takes about 365 days. Does that number sound familiar? That's right. It's how many days there are in 1 year. So every time you have a birthday, Earth has finished another big lap around the Sun. This incredible journey is what defines our year. While Earth is making this big trip around the Sun, it's also spinning on its own axis every 24 hours, giving us day and night. So many amazing movements are happening all at once. Earth's orbit around the Sun is the main reason we have different seasons like spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Now, here's the little tricky part. Earth doesn't sit straight up and down as it orbits. It's actually tilted a bit, like a spinning top that's leaning over. Because of this tilt, as Earth travels around the Sun, different parts of our planet get more direct sunlight at different times of the year. When the part of Earth we live in is tilted towards the Sun, we get more direct sunlight. The days are longer and it's warmer because that's summer. When our part of Earth is tilted away from the Sun, we get less direct sunlight, the days are shorter, and it's colder, and that's winter. Spring and autumn are in between. So our year-long orbit combined with Earth's tilt gives us our wonderful changing seasons. We know it takes a whole year for Earth to orbit the Sun, but how fast is Earth moving on this journey? You might want to hold on to your hats for this one. Our planet Earth is zooming through space around the Sun at an incredible speed, about 67,000 miles per hour. That's faster than the fastest race car, faster than a jet plane, faster than anything you can imagine. We don't feel this movement, however, because everything around us, the ground, the air, the buildings, is moving right along with us. It's like when you're in a car driving smoothly on a highway, you really don't feel how fast you're going unless you look out the window. So, let's recap Earth's fantastic voyage. Earth travels on a special path called an orbit around the Sun. This orbit is shaped like a slightly squashed circle called an ellipse. It takes about 365 days or 1 year for Earth to complete one orbit. This orbit, along with Earth's tilt, gives us our different seasons. Earth is moving super fast on this journey. Isn't it amazing to think that right now we're all on this giant speedy spaceship called Earth, taking a year-long trip around our Sun? Thank you for watching.